you're new to my channel, like I said, I'm Lizzie. I'm a mom of two, and if you like my content, do make sure to subscribe and to the post notification bell so you will be one of the first to know when I upload a video. Currently about just past 8:15, 8:15, and I'm getting ready to obviously go to school, do the school run. I'm about to pack her lunchbox, and then we're out of the house and we get running and we go. And then after that, I think we'll come home. My cousin is around, so myself and her will then go for a walk with my youngest, and everything will go for a walk. We went for a walk yesterday, so we'll go for a walk again today, set that routine in place, so that will be the next walk, 6-8 weeks. But yeah, anyways, let's get breakfast ready. Getting your stuff ready. That's what I'm doing. What are you doing? Can you bring the sun cream in Better's bag for me, please? Back from school run, and before we go on a walk, I'm just gonna quickly wash the dishes that are in the sink, and then also cook some yam so that by the time we come back from the walk is to eat breakfast and stuff. But yeah, anyways, yeah, let's wash the dishes and cook some yam. I've got my breakfast and everything, well, brunch or whatever now. But yeah, gonna have breakfast. Haven't gone on the walk yet, we're just about to, but I wanted to quickly have breakfast and then go on the walk, and then we have something to burn. But yeah, so I'm just putting my show back on Netflix. But yeah, I've got my lamb with egg and a little bit of sauce, and I've got my coffee right here. I've not had a coffee this morning, so this is my first coffee of the day. Yeah, and then have breakfast and we'll go. I'm watching, is it called a game show? One game show like this, a Korean game show on Netflix and stuff. This season 2 of it. I've watched season 1 and it was really good, so I want to see if the season 2 is as good as season 1. But anyways, catch up with you guys when we're at the park. At the park, going up a mini hill, pushing my baby. Yeah, so I'm putting all my strength into one hand, trying to push her up this hill. But anyways, yeah, at the park, beautiful scenery. The weather is so nice. My cousin is in front. She's on a call. She's there. She's on a call. And yeah, and I'm here pushing Bethel up this mini hill. But yeah, it's beautiful. We're pretty much the only one in the park, which is nice. It's quiet and everything. I'll show you guys the surroundings. I'll show you guys the surroundings in a bit. But yeah, it's beautiful. The plan is to be doing this a bit more throughout this holiday and get into a routine of it and stuff. But yeah, anyways, I'll show you guys around.